Airlines, thank you for flying with us today. A special welcome to Advantage members, One World frequent flyers, and our partner airline guests. If you're not an Advantage member, you can sign up at AA.com to earn miles for today's flight and continue earning miles with our retail and travel partners. You can also turn everyday purchases into Advantage miles with the City Advantage Platinum Select World Elite MasterCard. Card members earn 2 miles for every dollar spent at restaurants, gas stations, and eligible American airline purchase. You also enjoy benefits like preferred boarding, a first checked bag free on domestic itineraries,